Hello adventurers! Meet the ECCO Women's Track 25 High Hiking Boot, your new best friend for conquering the great outdoors. Crafted with premium full-grain leather and durable nubuck, these boots offer a perfect blend of style and rugged performance. The Gore-Tex waterproof technology ensures your feet stay dry and comfortable, no matter the weather. With a lightweight, flexible sole and a cushioned footbed, these boots provide exceptional support and comfort for long hikes. The high-cut design offers added ankle support, making them ideal for challenging terrains. Plus, the innovative receptor technology enhances stability and dynamic support with every step. Whether you're trekking through mountain trails or navigating city streets, the ECCO Women's Track 25 High Hiking Boot is designed to keep you moving with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.